Welcome to this introduction to service request automation using the Kelverion Runbook Suite. Using the Kelverion Runbook Suite, we're able to provide self-service capabilities either using your service desk, and multiple service desks are supported, or using the Kelverion Automation Portal. We automate standard tasks. The solution offers very rapid implementation and graphical authoring. For a full list of those supported service desks, please visit www.kelverion.com. Okay, so we're going to take a look at some service request automation using the Kelverion Automation Portal. And one of the key elements of any service request automation is managing those user inputs. It means that the automation is much simpler because the request itself validates those inputs that are processed. So you can see as I'm going through populating my request within the automation portal, we're using pick lists and drop downs to make sure that request details are going to be valid and it's going to lead to successful automation. So I'll confirm the request in the automation portal. And one of the other key aspects of service request automation is keeping the user updated. So in the automation portal, we can see when automation starts to deliver the service and when that service is completed. Okay, so let's take a look at the Kelverion Runbook Studio. As I mentioned earlier, it's a graphical authoring tool. It allows us to drag and drop the elements that we need to build our complicated workflow to provision that service. There's lots of integration modules for the Runbook Studio, and the service is provided by Azure Automation. We can see that request should have been processed now. If we go back to the automation portal, we can see if we refresh, the status shows that it's in progress again. It's making sure that end user is kept up to date so they can understand what's being built, when they can expect it to be delivered. And finally, we can see that request is completed. And if we go to the Office 365 portal, we can see the new user, which I've just requested, has been provisioned. If you have any questions about service request automation, or you'd like to know more about that list of supported service desks, please visit www.kelverion.com.